In Edit mode, click on Overlays and select your wanted measurement option here. Today I want to show you how to enable measurement tool in Blender 2.8.2. It could be very helpful if you have any kind of technical or mechanical construct with precise values for modeling. Select your object and go to Edit mode. Click on Overlays button here, which call up a different menu than in Object mode. Head to Measurement section and choose between Edge Length, Face Area, Edge Angle and Face Angle. Edge Length is for me the most useful option. Just click on one or more edges with this setting enabled. If you use the Face Selection mode, then you will get all values of influenced edges. Face Area gives you information about area size of each selected face. For sure it will not appear if you don't select a whole face. Edge Angle gives you information about the angle of two connected faces by an edge. If you select an open edge, then you will get no result. Face Angle only works by selecting a whole face, not single edges. It gives you information about the angles within a face. All measurements are visible as long as your selection is active. You are able to change position of vertices, edges or faces and get live information about changes of measurement. Be aware of scale. Measurements gives you only correct values if your object have scaling values of 1. If you scale your object at any point of development, then you should check this value by pressing N and be sure to be in Item panel. Is there anything which is not 1 in scale values, then you should think about applying scale. Select your object in Object mode, press Ctrl A for the Apply window, and select Scale. Now your scale value should be 1 again and your measurements are correct. That's all so far. Thank you very much for watching. It would be very nice to give this video a like and or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more game dev videos. Cheers!